Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Here's how to quickly find your Facebook block list. So you need to go ahead and launch your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Then after tap on the three lines in the top right corner, then scroll down and select settings and privacy and select settings from the drop down menu. From here, you need to again scroll down and you'll get this section of audience and visibility and the option of blocking, which is between profile and tagging and active status. Go ahead and select it. And this will show you the list of people that you've blocked on Facebook. If you want to unblock them, you'll get the unblock option beside their name. Select unblock, tap on OK to confirm, and you'll be done. Or you can also add people to your block list. Go ahead and tap on this plus icon over here and search for their name or username and block them. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.